Hello and welcome. You're watching WION World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start this bulletin by taking a look at the headlines. Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Khamenei says negotiations with the US would not solve Iran's problems. Khamenei was talking to Iran's army commanders. Israel praises US President Donald Trump for imposing sanctions on the International Criminal Court, calls the court's actions against Israel immoral and illegitimate. ICC has issued arrest warrant against Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu for war crimes. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio to visit Israel and Arab countries from the 13th to the 18th of February. His first official visit to the West Asia. The visit comes in the wake of President Donald Trump's remarks on relocating Gaza's population. DR Congo's President Tshisekedi to take part in a summit of Eastern and Southern African leaders starting today in Tanzania. He is expected to meet the Rwanda president amid allegations that Rwanda is backing M23 rebels who seized territory in Congo. Delhi Lieutenant Governor orders an investigation by Anti-Corruption Bureau into charges by the Aam Aadmi Party that some of its MLAs were offered bribes by the BJP ahead of announcement of election results on Saturday. The BJP has rejected the charges. US-China trade war could drive US crude exports lower in 2025 for the first time since the pandemic. Analysts warn that global appetite for US crude may be peaking, adding further pressure to exports. Shohei Ohtani's former interpreter sentenced to 57 months in prison for stealing $17 million from the Japanese baseball superstar. Issei Mizuhara must surrender to authorities by March 24.